Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Porsche Cayenne key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the mechanical key blade. Then, carefully pull the key blade completely out of the fob. This initial step is crucial for accessing the internal components and preparing for battery replacement, ensuring a smooth process. Now, with the key blade removed, you will see a small slot. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a thin pry tool and insert it into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry open the battery compartment cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic components can be delicate. A gentle twist is all that is needed to release the cover. With the cover off, you will see the old battery. Note its type. It's usually a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully remove the old battery from its housing. Then, insert the new battery with the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality for your key fob, restoring its power. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Align the battery cover and press it firmly until you hear it click securely into place. Next, slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until it locks. Give it a quick test to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You've successfully opened and reassembled your Porsche Cayenne key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.